Good morning and welcome back to the 2016 Nova Scotia Volleyball Championships. My name is Race Lalani and I'm going to be doing your play-by-play today, and today is an exciting day. It is Saturday, second day of the championship, and it is playoff day today here. So we've got the U15 girls category on center court here in court 1, and today we are going to start off with the crossover game between the Blizzard team and the Lynx, and then we're going to head right into playoffs. So it looks like the lineups are just getting checked, and we're going to start right away here with the Blizzard server, number 16, Lakin Parley. Score table's ready, refs ready, TV1 crew here ready. Here we go. First serve into the net there, point Lynx. Now from the Lynx side, we have number 2, Kaylee Kubis with the serve. Spin serve, passed up there by number 3, Nickerson. Left side, tip there down the line, and that is number 7, Hannah Faulkner with the tip from Power. Back to serve here once again is Kaylee Kubis. Kubis with the floater, and that is a service ace. What a serve from Kaylee Kubis. She's going to head back to the end line. Float serve, and it squeaks over the net, touches a Blizzard player, so it is going to be a point for the Lynx. 4-0 here in the early goings of the first set in this crossover match this morning. Kubis. Spin serve, and the referee's going to call that ball in. Another service ace for Kubis. Now you can see on the bottom of the scoreboard, my Twitter handle is there at Raisa Lalani, RAEESALALANI. Please tweet out at me. We are live and interactive here. And what a swing that was. Have to talk about that one for a second. That is Hannah Faulkner. Back to Twitter. Make sure you tweet at me. I want to say hi, give someone a shout out, tell me who you're cheering for. Just exciting hearing from you. We've got a timeout called here from Blizzard. And as you can see on your screen, there is the Blizzard huddle with head coach Grace Grundy and assistant coach Dale Arsenault. Now, we've been here all weekend, and Bell Alliance TV1 is proud to be the official webcaster for the 2016 Nova Scotia Volleyball Championships from the Canada Game Centre in Halifax, Nova Scotia. Bell Alliance, there's more to love with fiber op. All right, looks like the teams are done in their huddle. Blizzard re-inspired. Good serves there from Kubis, but the Blizzard are going to find a way to get this ball up here. Kubis back at the service line. And the ball is up there for Blizz. Set out to left side, and there's a lefty from the left side. And that is a kill for Anderson. Good control on that ball. Now back to serve here for the Blizzard team is Talia Vidikin. Vidikin with the float. Passed up there by Faulkner. And that is going to be a call on the setter, double contact. Once again, serving here for the Blizzard team is Talia Vidikin. And there is a service ace on the Blizzard side. Three serving 6 here. Vidikin with the float. Passed up by the Lynx. Free ball coming over from Alexander. And a right side ball there, saved by number 29, Anderson. And a good try there from the Blizz defense, but that ball is going to score in the pot. Back to serve here for the Lynx is number 17, Emma Fortunato. Spin serve. Passed up by Vidikin. And it looks like there was going to be a pipe hit there. A little miscommunication on the Blizzard side. Fortunato back to serve once again for the Lynx. Spin serve. Going right side to McIsaac. And a tip there from Mira Alexander. Point Lynx. Still serving here for the Lynx is Emma Fortunato. And that is a service ace for Fortunato. Deep float serve. Looks like we're going to get some substitutions here into the match. First coming in is number 17, Madison McDonald, and she is going to take out Katya Vidikin. And next coming into the match is number 1, Ozge Abchi, and she's going to take out number 29, Isabel Anderson. Still serving here for the Lynx is Fortunato. Spin serve, and that is going to go short into the net. Back to serve here for the Blizz is number 9, Tess McIsaac. McIsaac with the spin serve. Out left to Faulkner. Great hands in 6. And a swing from the middle there. And a party ball from Nickerson. Looks like a dump coming there from Lynx, but the Bedford Blizzard offense is going to win that point. Serving here is McIsaac. McIsaac with the spin, just short into the net. Point to Lynx. Back to serve here is number 5, Mira Alexander. Alexander with the serve. Free ball coming over from the back row. Nice top spin. Going out left to Nickerson. Nickerson with the swing from the left side, and that is some good looking volleyball from the Blizzards offense. Now serving here is Ozge Abchi. Float serve, taken by Lynx's serve receive. Free ball coming over and just short into the net from Kramer. Abchi with the serve. Passed up by Alexander. In the middle to Kramer, and Kramer with the big swing in the middle. Now back to serve here for the Lynx is Hannah Faulkner. Serve. It's going out left here to Nickerson. Nickerson looking for that tip. Just hitting the antenna, so point Lynx. Faulkner back to serve for the Lynx. Passed up by Vidikin. Middle ball coming from McDonald. And it looks like a little tip there coming in from a number 2, Kaylee Kubis, and that is going to score. Still serving here for the Lynx Volleyball Club is number 7, Hannah Faulkner. And that is a service ace as the ball finds the back of the court for Faulkner. Looks like we're going to get another substitution here on the Blizzard side. Coming into the match is number 11, Hannah Huntley, and she's going to take out number 9, Tess McIsaac. Faulkner still back to serve here for the Lynx. And that ball is going to sail a little bit long. Good streak there, point Blizz. Back to serve now is Madison McDonald. McDonald with the serve. Passed up by Alexander. Free ball coming over from Alexander and just short there for the Lynx. 9 serving 15 here. Blizzard server Madison McDonald. McDonald with the spin. Left side set out to Kubis. And Kubis looking to find the back of the court, but just long. McDonald still serving here. McDonald with the spin. Alexander passing it up. Lynx keeping it alive. Free ball over. Deep one. McDonald with the dig. Going out left to Nickerson, and Nickerson with a big swing from the left side down the line. McDonald on a big serving streak for the Blizz here. She's still at the service line. Spin serve. Alexander with the over bump. Nickerson looking to put that ball down. Attempted save there from Lynx's setter, number 22, Alara Earl, but unfortunately that ball hitting the antenna, making it out. McDonald with the serve. Passed up by Alexander. Out left to Kubis. Kubis with the free ball down the line. Big dig there by McDonald. McDonald with the free ball over. Another free ball pushed by Kramer in one. And there is a swing in the middle from Talia Vidikin. Big swing just out of the back. Lynx breaking that streak now, and back to serve here is Zoe Kramer. Kramer with the serve. McDonald passing that ball up. And Nickerson from the right side. Great dig there from number 7, Faulkner. Nickerson with the dig. Set in the middle, and there is Vidikin with the swing in middle to 5. Looks like there might be a little bit of contesting on if that ball was in or out. Ref is sticking to his call, and that is going to be point Blizzard. Now back to serve here is Lacey Nickerson. Nickerson with the float. And a great hustle there by Lynx setter Earl, but that is a service ace for Nickerson. Nickerson back to serve. And there is another service ace for Nickerson. Lynx still in the lead, but just 1 point behind are the Blizzards Volleyball Club. Nickerson with a nice float, and there is her 3rd service ace in a row. Nickerson on a streak here for the Blizzard team, and that is going to constitute a Lynx timeout. Some exciting volleyball here, 15U category. This is the crossover before we get into the quarterfinals. And don't you worry, we're going to have all of it here on Bell Alliant TV1. And make sure to visit bellalliant.ca/TV1, which is where you are now, for the webcast and TV schedule as well as on-demand content. You can also get information on live events available only to Bell Alliant Fibre Op customers in Atlantic Canada on Channel 1 and 401. Bell Alliant, there's more to love with Fibre Op. And lots to love here on Championship Saturday for the 15U teams. On your screen is the Lynx huddle, and both teams are ready to go back out onto the court. Still serving here for the Blizzards team, your captain, number 3, Lacey Nickerson. Nickerson with a tough float. And there's going to be a double hit called on that second contact. Blizzard taking the lead here now, 17-16. Nickerson with the serve. And it's an overbump there. Vidicek with the dig. And she's going to look to swing at that ball in one. And a great dig from Creamer. And this ball going out left. And there is a tip there from Huntley. And that ball sails out of bounds for number 7, Hannah Faulkner from the middle. Nickerson still serving here for the Blizzard team. Faulkner getting a touch on that ball. That's going to be a service ace there for Nickerson. Great job from Mira Alexander on the Lynx side, getting her teammates ready for this ball for serve receive. And that ball in the middle for Vidicek. And there is a big block from number 17, Emma Fortunato. Now serving the ball here is Lara Earl on the side of Lynx. Earl with the serve, and that is tracked out of bounds by the Blizzards' serve receive. Point Blizz. Now serving here is number 16, Lakin Parley. Parley with the float. And it's a free ball coming over there from Kubis. And a big triple block there from the Lynx, but Talia Vidikin squeaks it by all of them with a dynamic hit. Serving once again is Parley. Parley with the float. Passed up by Faulkner. Free ball coming over. Set out left. There's Huntley from the left side. Free ball once again coming over. In the middle. Nice tip there from Vidikin. And a free ball coming over from Kubis. Another free ball there from Hannah Huntley, and it is going to score short in the pot. Serving once again here for the Blizzard is Lakin Parley. An attempt at a dump there from Earl on the Lynx side, but that ball passed just a little too tight for her. Lakin Parley with the serve. Great pass by Alexander. Free ball coming from Creamer in the back row. Nickerson with the dig. And there is a big swing in the middle from Talia Vidikin. (24-17) here in your first set, and this is potential set point. Parley with the serve. Passed up by Faulkner. Free ball coming over just short in the net, and that is going to be the first set. 25-17 for the Blizzard team, and they are going to switch sides, and we will be right back with set 2. All right, welcome back to the crossover game here for the 15U Championship Saturday. My name is Grace Alani. If you're just joining us, thank you so much. And if you watched the first set, the Blizzard did take the first set against the Lynx. But we're going to get started right away here with the second set. Keep in mind, this is best out of 3. And we have a full day of volleyball action coming up, so make sure to stay tuned all day. Back to serve here for the Lynx is number 3. And that is going to be a service ace for Rory Phillips. Once again, back to serve. The spin serve. Going out left to Huntley. Huntley with the swing. Free ball coming over from the Lynx. Parley setting her middle, and what a big swing there from Talia Vidikin. She is a big hitter for this Blizzard team. Now back to serve here is your setter, Lakin Parley. Parley with the float. Good pass there by Shive. And there is a swing from the left. Great touch there by Phillips on defense, but that is going to be Huntley's point. Serving once again is Parley. And that ball just short into the net, point Lynx. All tied up at 2s here in the early going of the set. And back to serve here for the Lynx is number 11, Emma Heyman. Heyman with the serve, Nickerson with the pass. Looking for a little help there at the front. That point's going to go to Lynx. Serving again here is Emma Heyman. That ball out left to Huntley. Huntley with the tip. Received by the Lynx's defense. And Vidikin in the middle. Great dig there from number 9, Tess McIsaac. And that ball is out of bounds. Great effort there from Lynx's defense. Back to serve here for the Blizzard is Talia Vidikin. Vidikin with the float. Passed up by Stewart. Free ball over from Alexander. Out left to Huntley. And that is going to be a kill cross court for Hannah Huntley. Serving once again here is your middle hitter, Talia Vidikin. Vidikin with the float. And a great hustle there from Lynx's Phillips. Still serving here is Talia Vidikin, 5-3. That ball squeaking over the net, touched by the Lynx. Shive with the ball over. And a big set in the middle there for Madison McDonald, and she puts it away to 1. Float serve. Free ball coming over from McKillen, and that ball is just out of bounds. Looks like we are going to get a timeout call here from the Lynx head coach, and it gives me a great opportunity to tell you about the highlights from this volleyball weekend. You can catch them on CTV's Sideline Scoop. Join Bell Alliant TV1's own Scott Squires as he chats with Cyril Looney each Monday at 8:40 a.m. on the Sideline Scoop. Get up to date on Bell Alliant TV1's local sports coverage with Scott and Cyril. It's called the Sideline Scoop, Mondays at 8:40 a.m. on CTV Morning Live Atlantic. And Scott Squires was here yesterday taking some video of some exciting volleyball action. So if you want to see some of the people that you're cheering on, make sure to tune in to CTV on Monday morning. Looks like the teams are just about ready to get back on the court. The refs have beckoned them, and they are back ready to play some more volleyball. Looks like he's just talking to the captains, probably telling them to kind of quicken up their timeouts and make sure they get back on the court as soon as he blows the whistle. All right, back to serve here for the Blizzard team is number 24, Talia Vidikin. Vidikin with the jump float. And that ball is going to sail along. Point Lynx. Looks like we're going to get a substitution here for the Lynx side. Emma Fortunato coming into the match for Marley McQuillan. And she's going to go straight back to the service line here for the Lynx team. Fortunato with the serve. And that is a service ace for Emma Fortunato. Once again, back at the end line to serve. And this time, just a little too much muscle. That ball out of bounds. Now serving here on the Blizzard side is number 11, Hannah Huntley. Huntley with the serve. And that is going to be a service ace there for Huntley. 9-5 here in the second set. The Blizzard team is up 1-0. Huntley with the serve, and there it is again, another service ace, this time dropping it a little bit shorter. Huntley with the serve. Alexander with the pass. And a shot in the middle there from number 9, Shive. And there's Nickerson on the left side. Looks like Blizz was trying to cover that ball, but the ref is going to call it 4 hits. Now serving once again here is Mira Alexander from the Lynx side. And that set is out left to Nickerson. Dug up by Heyman. There is a swing from Stewart. And this time we'll see McDonald in the middle. Once again, Stewart from the left side. Looks like we're going to get a dump there from the setter, and she's going to go once again, and second time's the charm. There it is from Ozge Avci with the point, and she's going to head back to serve. And Alexander taking that pass. Shive in the middle, and that ball just a little bit wide for Shive. 12-6 here as the Blizzard is starting to pull away a little bit. Avci with the serve. Passed up by Fortunato. Free ball by Alexander. And that ball is in bounds. Looks like Hannah Huntley was trying to track it, but it just dropped in front of her. Now serving here for the Lynx side is number 16, Caitlin Stewart. Parley setting McDonald in the middle, and she's going to swing to one and get that kill. Blizzard points. And after that big kill, she's going to head back to the end line to serve Madison McDonald on the service line. Spin serve, passed up by Alexander. There's a good fix there from Heyman. Free ball coming over from the Blizzard side. And Alexander with the free ball. And there's a set to Nickerson on the left, and she's going to squeak it down the line. Madison McDonald with the serve here. And that ball just short into the net, point Lynx. Back to serve here is Emma Shive. Shive with the spinner. Parley out left to Vidikin. Good dig there from the Lynx, looking to put that free ball over. Parley in the middle, and there's a big swing from Vidikin, and an even bigger dig from number 16, Caitlin Stewart. Standing in there and digging that ball. Big swing and even bigger dig. Lynx point, Emma Shive with the serve. That's going to be an over bump there. And there's Alexander with a short ball. Parley going out to Nickerson, and Nickerson with a big swing from the left, but that ball is going to be called out of bounds. Still serving here is Emma Shive for the Lynx. Spin serve. Nickerson with the second ball. Free ball coming over from Avci. Shive with the dig. And there is Fortunato out of the middle. And Vidikin looking to put that ball away, but once again standing in there is Caitlin Stewart. This time, Vidikin gets that kill. Great defense by Caitlin Stewart on the Lynx side, standing in there for some pretty big hits. Nickerson now back to serve here for the Blizzard team. Shive with the pass. And a good try there from setter number 3, Rory Phillips, but that ball just a little bit too tight. Nickerson serving. Shive with the pass. And Phillips out left. And there is a kill there from Emma Heyman. And folks, you can see on your screen the bleachers behind the net are getting pretty filled up here for an early morning start time. Lots of fans here in the crowd. Phillips with the serve. That ball just long, points Blizzard. Back to serve here is Lakin Parley. Parley with the serve. Alexander with the pass. Phillips looking to save that ball. That ball kind of going into the ref area. Tough to get a third hit on that one. Parley serving once again here for the Blizzards. And that is a service ace for Lakin Parley in the deep corner of the court. Parley with the serve. Passed up by Stewart. Nice set from Phillips. And it looks like we're going to get a call on Vidikin on the net there. That point is going to go to the Lynx. Passed up by Parley. Going out left to Huntley. Huntley from the left side, and she is going to score deep. Now serving here is number 24, Talia Vidikin. Vidikin with the serve, and it looks like it just dropped inbounds. Tough point there for the Lynx. Vidikin with the serve, and it's going to be a service ace there for Vidikin. A little confusion on the Lynx side here, but looks like coach is going to give them some pointers so they can figure it out. Vidikin with the serve. Passed up by Stewart. And a swing there from Fortunato. That point's going to be called a double contact point for the Blizzard team. 23-12 here in the second set. Alexander with that ball. Good save there by Heyman, and free ball coming over. And out left there to Huntley. Huntley just hitting it into the tape. Point Lynx. Back to serve here is number 17, Emma Fortunato. Passed up by Parley. And out left to McDonald. McDonald swinging down the line for a kill. 24-13 here. This is a potential game point here for the Blizzards. And back to serve is Hannah Huntley. Huntley with the serve. Alexander with the second ball. Free ball coming over from Phillips. And McDonald looking to tip that ball, and that is going to do it. The clever tip to win the match by number 17, Madison McDonald. Well, folks, there you have it. The first match of the day already done. The Blizzard team takes 2-0 against the Lynx. And make sure to stay tuned. Coming up at 9:40, we have the first quarterfinal match. My name is Raisa Lalani, and I will be right back.